what exactly qualifies as Waqf property? Now, it's given in the name of God for religious and charitable purposes. It can be formed through a deed, but neither the person who created the Waqf nor its beneficiaries are entitled to ownership. A Waqf becomes a public property that cannot be given away, it cannot be sold, mortgaged, inherited, or simply even disposed of. Non-Muslims can also create a Waqf provided they profess to Islam. And the objective of creating a Waqf has to be Islamic because a Waqf property is permanently dedicated to Allah. So how exactly is a Waqf property identified? The Waqf board collects information on properties it believes belongs to the Waqf. Then the Waqf board conducts an inquiry on the property, and based on that it zeroes in on the surveyors involved. If the board is satisfied, then it claims that the property belongs to the Waqf board. Now, the decision of the board is final unless it is modified or revoked by the Waqf tribunal, which is the same legal powers as exercised by civil courts in the country. So how much Waqf land is actually there across the length and breadth of India? As per the 2006 Sachar Committee, there were 4.9 lakh registered Waqf properties across India. These are spread over 6 lakh acres of land. The market value is close to 1.2 lakh crores across the country. The annual income at that point of time, the income from this land, this is agricultural land as well as non-agricultural land, the annual income was over 150 crores. This was in 2006. Whereas as per the Sachar Committee, the potential annual income could be as high as 12,000 crores. So let's break down the number of immovable Waqf properties that have been listed, that have been officially registered with various RDOs across the country. There are a total of more than 8.5 lakh properties that are there across the length and breadth of India, of which a little over 2 lakh properties have been registered in the state of Uttar Pradesh alone. Next comes the state of West Bengal. 80,000 properties have been registered as Waqf properties. In Punjab, that number is slightly less, 75,000. In Tamil Nadu, where you saw the story from a moment ago, it has 65,000 registered Waqf properties. 61,000 in the state of Karnataka, and in Kerala, it is 52,000. Now, a petition was filed in the Supreme Court last year challenging the Waqf Act. That petition basically says that Waqf is not mentioned anywhere in the Constitution of India and is against secularism and against integrity of India. The act is arbitrarily enacted. It is religion-based, which is violative of Articles 14 and 15, equality. There is no safeguard to other religions to save properties from inclusion in the Waqf list. The petition claims that the Waqf board has been given unbridled powers to register any property as theirs, and that there is no provision to identify and determine the status of property as either Waqf land or private land, as the case may be.